Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed our last week's video. So we are just going to continue that JKs now because we are yet to unbox the main things, like the BMW, the Ford Mustang, and the Ferraris and everything. So the next 2 weeks is going to be really awesome. And on top of that, I actually bought some more Hot Wheels, like this Neon series missed out, couple of missed out ones, that 549 Superman one, and on top of that, I bought two more things, like one set of Tomica, so including a TLV, and one set of Majorette. Those are the new castings actually. At least for India, it is those are new castings. So I will be putting out shots on the on the hunt. So keep an eye out on those as well. So with that said, let me just show you what we are going to unbox this week. Okay, let me just start with this. So this is the Hot Wheels 50 concept. So I bought this because this looked really cool. It looked like this rat rod vehicles. Yeah, rat squad, you can see here. So and the livery on this looked really nice. It just reminded me of this the tattoos which we used to buy during our childhood days. When you buy this Boomer or Big Bubble, you will get some kind of tattoos. That this looked exactly like that, so I bought it. And the color looked really awesome. It's kind of a glittery purple, so I just thought of buying this one. So I'm not sure how many people actually buy at least one or two fantasies, but I do buy fantasies. Not too much. Maybe out of 100, I buy 10. I do buy fantasies. Even we unboxed some fantasy, I think last week also, if I'm not wrong. Okay, let's move on to the next one, which is this one. So this is a Chevy Silverado Trial Boss LT, and so this looked really massive, and the paint job looked really awesome, so I bought it. So we did unbox the Ford Raptor, I think a week back, during last week's video. I don't remember now, but we did unbox that also looked really nice. So I wanted to, I do love trucks, so I bought it. So this is, I think, I don't know whether I actually have this casting before. This Seisinger 21C, I think that's how you are supposed to pronounce it. Correct me if I'm wrong. So this looked really nice, and someone actually suggested me as well to buy this one. I actually bought it even before he suggested, but shout out to that person. I don't know his name now, but I added this in this week's unboxing list just for that guy because he was asking me to do that. This looked really cool, so I bought it. So the next one would be this, the Dodge little red express truck. So I do love Dodge a lot, so yeah, I bought it. And the Ford GT. So this one looked really cool with this, this fenders and all. This looked really different compared to the ones which we unboxed earlier, maybe a month back or so. Okay, so last but not least for this particular week, one of my personal favorite in this particular case, which is this one. So the BMW 635 CSI, and so I personally love this black and gold combination that always goes well, given that they are doing the black part really well, not that dust particles and all those things. If that is not there, then this is going to look really cool under this light. So let's see how this one actually looks. So with that said, guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you like my video, subscribe. And once again, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.